Let us learn how to load java.util.Properties file using Spring XML. Spring provides util:"properties element using which we can load properties file. Suppose I have two properties file, entitlement.cfg and subscription.cfg. Here are some data. So these are two property file. To load it using Spring XML, we need to use util:"properties element, use ID and location and configure it. In the location, if it is from class path, refer it using class path : or provide the full path. Now how will we use it? I will use it here using @value annotation and access its value. Okay, let's see how to do it. First of all, in our annotation configuration with @configuration, to work with XML file, we need to use @import resource. Using this resource, we can import our XML file. So first of all, I am importing our XML file. Our XML file is app-conf.xml, and in Java config file, I am using @import resource with @configuration annotation and load it. Now it's available here, XML file, and as in our XML file we are using util:"properties, so we can access here these properties file and its values. To access its value, I am using @value annotation. I have a property int name and int time, sub name and sub type. What I am doing that I will assign them values by fetching from property file. Use @value annotation and use the syntax with int prop, its environment prop, and write the key name, entitlement.name. You can see here. In this way, we can access all property file configured in app.conf.xml. Now we can use these values to create bean. Suppose I am creating a bean of entitlement class and assigning here int name, int title. In the same way, I have a subscription class and assigning value from fetching property file. We can print their values. Let's see in the output. We can see that we got the values. So finally we got the values from property file. What I did is that all the properties file will be configured using util:"properties. Use XML file for the util:"properties. We use util:"properties in XML, Spring XML. And if you want to work it with annotation, just go to the Java config and use @import resource and import it. Then you can fetch the value using @value annotation. Okay, thank you.